Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to disable video calls on WhatsApp. So let's get started. First, you want to go out of WhatsApp, then head over to your settings. Once you're in, you want to scroll all the way down until you find the section called apps, this one. From here, you want to find WhatsApp. You can either scroll down or just type it in here. There we go. Now, once you've opened WhatsApp's app settings, you want to look for permissions. And here's a trick. Simply disable the microphone and camera options. By turning these off, you're essentially blocking WhatsApp from accessing your camera and microphone, which means video calls and voice calls won't go through on your device anymore. And that's it. You've successfully disabled video calls on WhatsApp. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more quick guides, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.